Japan, a land of contrasts, ancient and modern, serene and electric. From the moment you step foot on Japanese soil, you're greeted by a sensory overload. The gentle hum of tradition blends seamlessly with the pulse of the future. Imagine wandering through ancient temples, their wooden beams whispering tales of centuries past. Picture yourself lost in the neon-drenched streets of Tokyo, the air alive with a frenetic energy. Japan is a place that defies expectations. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, Japan offers something for everyone. Come with me, and let's dive into the heart of this captivating country. Get ready to lose yourself in the magic of Japan. Japan's history is etched into its ancient temples, each one a testament to the country's rich spiritual heritage. Take Kyoto's Kinkakuji, for example. This Zen temple, with its golden reflection shimmering on the water, is a sight to behold. Stepping inside these sacred spaces is like traveling back in time. The scent of incense hangs heavy in the air, and the intricate details of the architecture are awe-inspiring. You can almost hear the whispers of monks chanting ancient sutras. But Japan's past isn't just confined to temples, it's woven into the fabric of everyday life. From the graceful movements of a tea ceremony to the artistry of a perfectly crafted bonsai tree, tradition thrives in every corner of this remarkable country. These traditions are more than just rituals. They are a testament to Japan's enduring respect for its heritage. If you want to experience the true spirit of Japan, immerse yourself in its festivals. Throughout the year, the country explodes in a riot of color and sound, celebrating everything from the blooming of cherry blossoms to the harvest moon. One of the most iconic festivals is Hanami, the celebration of cherry blossoms. Imagine picnicking under a canopy of pink blossoms, their delicate petals dancing in the breeze. It's a truly magical experience. Then there's Obon, a time when families honor the spirits of their ancestors. Lanterns are lit, traditional dances are performed, and the air is thick with a sense of remembrance and connection. These festivals are a testament to Japan's zest for life, a vibrant expression of their culture and traditions. Section 4. Urban wonders Tokyo and Osaka await. Now let's fast forward to the future, to the neon-lit streets of Tokyo. This sprawling metropolis is a city of contrasts where ancient temples stand shoulder to shoulder with towering skyscrapers. Get lost in the electric energy of Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest intersection. Sample the freshest sushi at the Tsukiji Fish Market, or find tranquility amidst the chaos in the serene gardens of the Imperial Palace. Osaka, Japan's second-largest city, offers a different kind of urban adventure. Known for its vibrant street food scene and its friendly locals, Osaka is a feast for the senses. These modern cities are a testament to Japan's ability to embrace the future without forgetting its past. Section 5. Land of Innovation, Technological Prowess on Display. Japan is a country that's always pushing the boundaries of innovation. From high-speed bullet trains that whisk you across the country at breakneck speeds to robots that serve you coffee, Japan is like stepping into the future. But it's not just about gadgets and gizmos. Japan's technological advancements are also about creating a more sustainable and efficient way of life. Whether it's developing new sources of renewable energy or creating robots that assist the elderly, Japan is using technology to make the world a better place. This blend of cutting-edge technology and traditional values is what makes Japan so unique. Section 6. A journey through time, must-visit destinations. So, where to begin your Japanese adventure? The possibilities are endless. For history buffs, Kyoto, Nara, and Kamakura offer a glimpse into Japan's imperial past, with ancient temples, serene gardens, and traditional wooden houses. For nature lovers, the Japanese Alps offer stunning hiking trails, while the island of Okinawa boasts crystal-clear waters and pristine beaches. For city slickers, Tokyo and Osaka are a whirlwind of excitement, with world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment. And no matter where you go, make sure to experience the warmth and hospitality of the Japanese people. Japan is a country that will stay with you long after you've said sayonara. It's a place where the past and the future collide, creating a destination that is both familiar and utterly unique. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your journey today. For more travel inspiration and off-the-beaten-path adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll take you on a journey to the heart of Japan and beyond.